And this match is going to start in a bit of the Lautoka sun. And the Waratahs kicking off. Falls for the Waratahs. And they can put it through their hands. Here's Stewart. Pins the ears back. She spotted the opening. Oh, the in and away was absolutely brilliant. A hat-trick last week, and she has burnt them already in Lautoka. What a real handful she could be today. The flying Maya Stewart. Try time.
Stewart showed some amazing pace there. Mistake from the line out. Ambitious for the Fijiana drill to throw over the back. The Waratahs shift it wide, and Stewart, ball in two hands. Gasses on the outside, swerves away through, and gets over for the first points for the Waratahs.
This is just simple hands through the back line. Found a tight or a forward out there, and yeah, let her speed do the rest of the work. Gee, she's got a lot of gas.
You could just see it was eyes up rugby from Maya Stewart looking for the mismatch, and now from right in front. There's no mistake there by...
And that's going to benefit the Waratahs. Their defensive systems, they just need to stay strong.
Turnover's good, play on. Away now, Green. Ball's available.
Ball is available.
That's inside 50, inside.
And Mackenzie
Again.
picking out the player at the back.
Inside.
Pulse running it back. Lane Morgan opting to go to the right. Mackenzie, it's the Fen going, who got the offload away to Duck, and she's taking plenty of stopping, and there's room on the far side as well for Leaney, and she is over! Caitlin Leaney, just back from a stint in the UK at the Harlequins Club. The Wallaroo is on the score sheet.
Leaney, there's nothing better than seeing a lock flying through at full pace. Scoring a try. Arabella Mackenzie, we've mentioned her a couple of times now. Great fend. Nice little offload out the back. Beautiful start to the Waratahs, and I think they're just applying that pressure by playing in the right parts of the field.
Fiji will be disappointed with that. Their defence line, you've got guys shooting up and trying to make those hero tackles, and they've had to pay for it with 5 points, potentially 7.
Yeah, the Waratahs fans are very happy with that one, and so to Caitlin Leaney. Her 11th game overall for the Waratahs women. The Locks learned plenty of good rugby in the UK as well, the money.
Yep, too right with all that, because also they do over there, isn't it? Lineouts and kick chase as wingers, so good for Locks and 5/8s.
Maybe I should have had a stint over there so I could become a bit better.
Mackenzie, it's a nice strike, gets over. Fijian Drua women's coach. And here's the drive. Merlot breaks it. Her, but a terrific opportunity again for the New South Wales Waratahs. Here's the kick across. Miller kicking for Stewart, and who wants it? Towed through. Picked up at the back and cleaned up by Miller, and Miller spots the opening, running it back, giving it to Stewart, and Maya Stewart has got a double. Terrific counter-attacking rugby from the New South Wales Waratahs. Bit of a sloppy chase in the end from the Fijian Drua defensive players, but that's a double already. And both Miller and also Stewart don't need a lot of space. Locked on. Coates goes to ground, 12 inside. Waratahs territory. Advantage is over for the knock-on. And the pass from Murray was a good one. They're backing up all over the place, and they score the try. Wow, Milania gets the 5-pointer. Well, that's what they're capable of. All they've got to do is keep ball in hand. A couple of good offloads. Moisaga with the try assist in 7 jersey. Here's the conversion attempt, and it's over. That's Fijian rugby on show there.
There's the confidence as they keep growing. It's great to see Coates back. She's had a big ACL injury. Threw a nice little dummy in the support play from in behind. Men's, women's, doesn't matter. NEMS, Fijian footy at its best.
That's Fijian rugby at its best. Offload, and you just throw it there and someone will get there.
Matarongo. As Rafai waits with her glass. Matarongo breaks away and has a run on her own and dives over. She's recovered from the ACL injury. She was at the Rebels last season, but she is happy to be home with the Drua. Vika Matarongo scores the try. 7 or 8 metres in from touch, and this one is on its way between the sticks. And here's the drive coming from the Waratahs. Brittany Merlo edging forward, breaking away now. Can she get it down? No, she's held up. Oh, desperate defence.
7 entry. 5 entry.
Penalty goes against Jade Coates and also Moisaga, Selita Moisaga. So they can go again
Captain.
via the line out.
2 infringements in the ball. Got to clean it up, okay?
Good take from Lafai. They rumble. This time they cannot stop Bridie O'Gorman. To try to the New South Wales Waratahs prop.
I had a 7 side entry. The next one.
O'Gorman scores off the back of the driving maul.
Big shove coming from the Drua. That's terrific work by the scrum, and now they put it through their hands, and Mackenzie comes in and makes a good tackle. Seneca Rivi. Oh, and then the free kick, and so a wasted opportunity by the Drua.
Too much weight, ladies. Yes.
And so that will do the end of the first half at Churchill Park in Lautoka. Natase Lafai takes the glasses off, and they'll head to the sheds for a well-earned break. So after leading by 19 points to 0 at half-time, it is the New South Wales Waratahs leading the Fijian Drua women by 24 points to 14.
To go over the line again.
Again, a good two-handed take from Natase Lafai. They get it back to Brittany Merlo. And here's the rumble. It's bread and butter stuff at the moment. She can see the line, and she's over. Oh, the pack, they love it when it all goes to plan from the line out. And Michael Ruthven, we're pretty happy with that. The new coach.
Come on.
Signals time on. Second half underway. And it falls for the Drua as the crowd starts to roar.
Just to spark this Drua side.
Arabella McKenzie adds the extra 2, so it's 31 points to 14. Handy lead, some breathing space for the Waratahs women, who have won this competition 3 times, but they've missed out the last couple of years. The Drua coming into Super W, as it was known then, winning 2 titles on the trot, and now it's Super Rugby women. Oh, they got away with it in the end. And having a run now is Sky Churchill in the 7 jersey. Hoy full of momentum at the moment. Fredericks giving it to Stewart. Lafai enjoying her time back in the Waratahs colours. Helsop from fullback, intercepted. Nobody at the back. And it's a clear run to the line. And don't they love it? Oh, yeah. Kalini Mawara to the hooker, remember? Yeah. Intercept time, try time. Mackenzie taken on the 10. Good hands from Nagama. The captain leading from the front. Piper Duck. With the company. The 19th game for the Waratahs women. And good hands down the short side, and Miller for the corner, and they can't bring it down. What a try. Through the hands, and the finish was special from Desiree Miller. That's going to go a long way to certainly silencing the crowd and maybe sealing the deal. Being told to use it as they march forward, and now the arm goes out, so they've got advantage. Down the short side they go, and Fredericks gets it to Miller. She puts it on the toe, and the chase is on. They're flying for it back there. Who wants it? It's lying loose. They're claiming a try, and it is Georgina Fredericks who's claiming it.
By green, then grounded by white.
Yeah, it's been given, so try time. The New South Wales Waratahs women. Well, the kick is only as good as a chase, and it was an absolute cracker.
Yeah, Georgina was there. Maybe some opportunities to try something that they've been working on at line-out time, set piece, with that bit of a buffer.
Brittany Merlo is still out there, so replacement hooker hasn't been used yet. They go to the short side. Company takes plenty of stopping, twisting, turning, and over she goes. Oh, so hard to stop, so close to the line. And that's impact from the bench when you think about Brianna Hoy.
Like I said, in review, that's the easiest thing to fix. You know, coming into next week, if you can limit half of these penalties, you give yourself a better chance to play more footy in the right parts of the field.
Fredericks and Mackenzie stepping. 5 out. Numbers to the left. Alice quick hands. Mail Stewart. Over it goes to Miller. There's another one for the left winger. So Desiree Miller has 2 for the day. And the New South Wales Waratahs women are on a bit of a roll at the moment. Oh, it's over.
Crouch. 5. Set. Hold their line. Use it.
Bird is happy to play it this time. Mackenzie shut down. Bird throws the dummy. Oh, so close. To the short side goes Churchill, and she's over. And Sky Churchill certainly deserves a 5-pointer because she's been impressive today, stepping into the number 7 jersey. And they do hit 60, the New South Wales Waratahs women. But then in the second half, Merlo, Miller, Fredericks, Company, Miller, and Churchill. So in the end, that was, 10 tries to 3.